Traffic headache for drivers taking the Dames Point Bridge today after a crash involving a semi-truck and 3 other vehicles. The semi-truck was left dangling over the side of the bridge and northbound lanes were shut down for more than 4 hours. Lanes reopened around 5:30 this evening. Here's a live look tonight at the Dames Point Bridge. At this hour, you can see the traffic is flowing smoothly right now. And all new tonight at 11, we're taking a closer look at the bridge's structure and what may happen to it in the future.
FDOT inspectors Friday spent hours checking the Dames Point Bridge after a multi-vehicle crash injured one and sent a truck's trailer into the river below.
Safe for vehicular travel at this point.
FHP identified careless driving as the factor causing the crash. FDOT inspectors gave the bridge the all clear for structural damage, finding only cosmetic problems after the collision. In the coming days, it's likely investigators will be taking a closer look.
How can we safeguard and protect the occupants of the vehicle?
UNF civil engineering professor Adel ElSafty says despite the loss of the trailer, the bridge's structure kept drivers safe.
The railing did its job of containing the vehicle, preventing vehicles from rolling over, and the loose part, which is the trailer, yes, rolled over.
He credits the Dames' sloped barriers and crash-tested railings with keeping the crash contained.
As far as stopping and dissipating the energy, the huge energy of this vehicle, the energy comes with a huge weight, huge speed, and sometimes a huge height as well. And just slamming against the side of that barrier wall, you have to make sure that the barrier wall did its job.
One of the last reported overboard vehicles on a Jacksonville bridge happened in 2014, this time on the Buckman Bridge, and the driver in that collision died. The Department of Transportation launched a study on the Buckman, resulting in increased police patrols and lower speed limits. ElSafty says investigators will be taking everything into account when double-checking the Dames following this incident.
And that was Julia Janae reporting. The family of one man involved in the crash, Julio Figueredo, said tonight he remains in the hospital and that he was heading to work at the time of the crash. Our research of traffic incidents on this bridge in the last 4 years found 47 crashes with 25 people injured. None of those were fatal.